Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Lego Car Kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys for boys aged 8 to 14, offering a fantastic blend of fun, creativity, and STEM learning. These kits not only provide hours of entertainment as they build intricate car models but also help develop problem-solving skills, fine motor skills, and spatial reasoning, making it more than just a toy, but a valuable tool for their development. Number 5. Lego Speed Champions McLaren Senna. Get ready to build your own Lego McLaren Senna. This awesome kit includes everything you need to create a detailed replica of this iconic supercar. It comes with a McLaren racing driver minifigure, complete with racing suit and helmet. You'll also find interchangeable wheel rims and cool logos to add the finishing touches. With 219 pieces, building this model is a fun and engaging experience. It's perfect for kids aged 7 and up, and for LEGO fans of all ages. The finished model is incredibly detailed, featuring a minifigure cockpit, removable windshield, and even a wind tunnel for recreating race day scenarios. Once built, it's ready for action. Use it to create your own thrilling races and car development tests. It's also compatible with other LEGO sets for even more creative play. This set isn't just a model, it's a springboard for imagination. Combine it with other LEGO bricks to build even more amazing creations. What we like. It boasts iconic design and includes a minifigure. The unique wind tunnel adds to the play experience. If you are looking for a detailed model with extra features, this is the one for you. What people say. Like this car from Forza Horizon 4, I used to drive it in the game a lot. So I figured why not build the Lego. It was a fun build, drivers sit in car well worth buying. My 10-year-old son loves the LEGO Speed Champions line and he loves this car. Like the sets from before 2020, this race car has only one seat. It does have a lot of details and he really loves the design of the car. It also comes with a lot of stickers to add to it. He loves playing with it as he does all the cars in this series. The Speed Champion series is better than the regular LEGO designs, for it has moving parts, gears, etc. to entice kids and give them that little something extra. The best part was the really cool looking aspect of this car once completed. Number 4. LEGO Speed Champions 75895. Introducing the LEGO Speed Champions 1974 Porsche 911 Turbo 3.0. This collectible model is perfect for kids and Porsche fans alike. It features a removable windshield, so you can place a minifigure in the cockpit. Notice the iconic whale tail rear spoiler. This set includes a classic Porsche 911 driver minifigure with a helmet and 3 cones for racing action. Get ready to compete. Measuring over 1 inch high, 5 long, and 2 wide, it's a great display piece. The details are amazing. With 180 pieces, it's a fun building challenge for ages 7 and up. It's the perfect birthday gift. Combine it with other LEGO sets and bricks for even more creative play. You can even drive it in Forza Horizon 4. What we like. This model features authentic details and a classic design. It's also compatible with the Forza Horizon 4 expansion pack. If you like classic cars and gaming, this is a great choice. What people say. It came perfectly and was packaged very nicely. The Lego itself was very well made and satisfied my expectations. This car is screaming fast. Cette petite 911 est de qualité ETVA très bien en compagnie de sa grande sur la Porsche 911 Ref. 10295. Number 3. LEGO Technic Corvette ZR1. Get ready to build the iconic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 with this amazing LEGO Technic set. It's a challenging and rewarding build for car enthusiasts of all ages. It boasts incredible details, including a large rear wing, 4 tailpipes, and even working steering and visible V8 pistons. You'll be amazed by its realism. But that's not all. This isn't just one model, it's 2. Once you've built the Corvette, you can rebuild it into a powerful hot rod. Double the fun. The low-profile tires and black-spoked rims add to the authenticity. It's a true collector's item that you'll be proud to display. With 579 pieces, it offers hours of building fun for boys and girls aged 9 and up. It's the perfect gift for any Lego or car lover. And the best part? It's fully compatible with all other Lego bricks and sets, so you can expand your creations endlessly. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. It offers 2 models in one and features moving V8 pistons. It's also a larger model than others. If you are looking for a challenging build with extra features, this is perfect. What people say. The Lego instructions were excellent, and my almost 8-year-old son had no trouble assembling this model. It's a bigger car and it took him 2 days on and off to complete it. He had fun with the special details in this design, such as the moving pipes, foldable bumper that goes up high, and shaped roof panels. The final product looks realistic. It made a great addition to his collection of Lego cars. My boyfriend loved this gift so much, and if you're looking for something that takes time to build, one of these would work. The model is huge too. The steering wheel works. Number 2. Lego Speed Champions Toyota GR Supra 76901. Get ready to experience the thrill of building the iconic Toyota GR Supra with this Lego Speed Champions set. It's the perfect way for car enthusiasts and kids alike to explore their creativity and passion for speed. This isn't just any model car, it's a meticulously detailed replica of the legendary Toyota GR Supra. With its wide chassis, it even has room for 2 minifigures, adding to the fun. The set includes a racing driver minifigure with an authentic Toyota racing suit, helmet, and wrench. These details bring the racing world to life, inspiring imaginative play. Kids and car lovers can explore the inner workings of the real-life Toyota GR Supra as they build it, then proudly display their creation. But the fun doesn't stop there, it's also a fantastic toy for imaginative play. This Lego set makes a perfect gift for boys and girls aged 7 and up, or anyone who appreciates iconic sports cars. It's a fun and engaging way to combine building with a passion for automobiles. From start to finish, building this Lego set is an exciting journey. It's a chance to learn, create, and enjoy the satisfaction of building something amazing. What we like. This is an authentic replica with room for 2 minifigures. It's a great representation of the iconic car. If you are looking for a highly detailed model with extra seating, this is the one. Number 1. Lego Speed Champions Koenigsegg Jesko. Get ready to build your own supercar. This amazing Lego set lets you create a detailed replica of the real Koenigsegg Jesko. It features a wider chassis, providing enough space for 2 minifigures in the cockpit. You can even add your own racing crew. The set includes a minifigure of a race car driver, complete with a racing suit, helmet, and wrench. He's ready to take on the track. It boasts the iconic white and black colors with green accents, just like the real car. Notice the impressive spoiler and wheel protectors. It's a fun and engaging build, perfect for display once complete. This makes a great gift for any occasion. This is one of many amazing cars in the LEGO Speed Champions series. Start your collection today and build them all. What we like. This model represents a supercar capable of 300 miles per hour and has a 2-seat cockpit. It's highly detailed and visually stunning. If you like high-performance cars and detailed models, this is for you. What people say. The build is very easy and I think people of all ages can love this LEGO Koenigsegg Jesko. If you're starting LEGO Speed Champions, try this set, it's really fun. Great job LEGO. Another great car from LEGO. Have about 20 of this different cars. Also have the bigger Technic cars. I really like LEGO products, they're put together great and you have the parts list so you can order parts. I recently purchased the LEGO Speed Champions Koenigsegg Jesko 76900 and I have to say, I'm thoroughly impressed with the level of detail and build quality of this set. The finished product is a beautiful replica of the real-life Koenigsegg Jesko, complete with accurate decals and functioning doors and hood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.